Welcome to our channel, where we explore the best products from around the world. Today, we're diving into the world of organic Riva Organic dropshipping supplier from the Bharat. Riva Organic is more than just a supplier. It's a gateway to quality health supplements, cosmetics, skincare, and eco-friendly products. Whether you're a Shopify or WooCommerce store owner in Amazon, or eBay seller, or looking for reliable 3PL services, Riva Organic has got you covered. At Riva Organic, we prioritize quality and sustainability. All our products are sourced from organic ingredients, ensuring they're not only good for your customers, but also the planet. Plus, our dropshipping model means you can access these products without worrying about inventory or shipping logistics. And here's the best part of doing business with us: a cost-efficient product with premium quality. All the reason behind that is USD INR exchange. With Riva Organic, convenience is key. You can seamlessly integrate our products into your Amazon FBA inventory or utilize our fulfillment services with your label for hassle-free shipping directly to your customers. Whether you're looking to stock up on health supplements, expand your cosmetics line, or add eco-friendly products to your inventory, Riva Organic is your one-stop solution. Join the ranks of satisfied customers and take your business to new heights with Riva Organic today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Until next time, link in the description. Happy selling with Riva Organic.